zombies, scarecrows, witches, and bats. What do you think when I say that? Goblins, monsters, vampires, and crows. Does that freak you out? You've gotta let me know.
In the dark of night I hear a sound, footsteps creeping all around. I feel a chill run down my spine. Something wicked is on the line. It's Halloween, the time of fear. The spirits rise, the end is near. Beware of shadows lurking near. I think I seen someone over here.
Right around town on my broomstick. Can't tell which cause I'm too slick. Village living in my hometown. Betray the living and join us in the ground.
Does that freak you out? You've gotta let me know.
The wind is howling through the trees. The moon is full and the sky's a tease. I see a figure through the mist, a ghostly presence I can't resist. The graveyard's quiet, or so it seems, but something's stirring beyond my dreams. With dirty fingers, the devil's curse,